sure that all your belongings, all your valuables are just with you, okay? Safety first now. And by the way, ladies and gentlemen, this afternoon we are graced by our three lovely queens, our new MFQ 2024, MFQ 2024 Tourism, and MFQ Charity. So, we will be introducing them later kung makaplastano at makapungko taong tanan. Okay, Primo Aliwasan, just give me the go signal when you are ready. Atras sa mga higala.
Dali, ari.
Okay. Okay, sarado na po no ang ato ang cordon sa likod. That means we are already in our last part of our street dancing competition. Ma'am SB, Virgie Pastor, dali ma'am. Hello! Good afternoon, and we would also like to acknowledge, of course, the presence of our SDS Renata T. Valicena. Sir, with Mamita, thank you ma'am for coming, and I hope na nagsadya ka din. Alright. We also have Kagawad Pastor, sir. Hello. Ato ang agyanan ng sa kilid. Nagisingot po rin taon si Mama. Na-feel dyan nato ang spirit sa atong kapistahan. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1, sir. Ready na ko na sila. Ladies and gents, sa mga kasigura for Aliwasan! May I request everyone nga na-address sa speakers nga manaog, kay para I can move forward kay naabot na tong judges ako na may magulit.